This is about the best way to spend a Friday evening. On the porch with the cats, just chilling. They're looking off across the street. There's always deer that come down through here out of the woods. There's like wooded area right over that way. And the deer will come out. There's like a pack of 7 or 8 of them. And they'll come out and they'll run across here because there's a house down that way where they actually put out pans of corn and feed these deer. You know, so they're like the neighborhood pet. I'm sitting here enjoying one of my Molsons, hanging out with my cats. You know, it's nice enough to wear shorts out in the evening. Hey, Boo Boo, what do you see? Hey, Boo Boo, what's out there, Boo Boo? It's an absolutely perfect night. Alright, I'm going to stay out here for a little bit longer hanging out, and if I see the deer I'll cut back in, but I think they might have already been around, so yeah, I ain't seeing no deer, so if I do though, I'll come back. I just saw way up at the top of the street, I saw a pack of deer run across the street, so I'm thinking maybe they'll come and make their way back down this way. Doo-doo? So cool how my cats they just hang out with me. But yeah, I saw they were bucking, you know, a pack of deer just running across the street. My Molson Canadians. Hey, Boo Boo. Boo Boo, what is it? What's out there? Just a little heads up, the next board set that I am doing is a Tempest from my friend Ray that I met through doing the repairs. He's a cool guy. Oh, Ray. I've done some work for him. He's sent me a Tempest board, and we'll be getting to that. And it's got all old Atari sockets, which will all have to be replaced for, you know, for the sake of the board being reliable. Otherwise it just won't. So we'll be going and replacing all those sockets. And I already found he had mentioned something about it having a short, and I did film this already. I've started the video, but that one capacitor, that tantalum up there that's always short, it's in the -15 line, and it was short. So yeah, so Ray's Tempest is next. And the repair queue, I took it out of the box today, started looking at it, so yeah, we'll be getting to that guy. Alright, I'm gonna look for these deer, and if they do come back, I'll let you know. I'm pretty sure that they'll be down this way. I saw them. I know I saw the deer running across the street up that way. Hey, Boo Boo. She's intrigued. She's just looking. Okay, yeah, I'll come back. I'm still going to hang out for a little bit, drink this second beer, and hopefully these deer come out this way. All right. Well, unfortunately, it was a deerless night. No deer. What are you doing down there? Bobo. What about you? What's your excuse? What's your excuse? Nope, I did not see any deers, but I did see a couple beers. Alright, well, I guess I'll sign off for tonight. Sorry to disappoint in the deer category, but we will try again on another porch night adventure. Right, Boo Boo? Hey, Boo Boo. Doo-doo, what are you doing? Alright. Thanks for hanging with me tonight, guys. On the porch. Peace out, and we'll see you on that tempest. See ya. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a raccoon. You can't see it. I saw a raccoon crossing the street. I whistled at him and I think he took off. Now you guys stay away from that raccoon, you hear me? Yep, I saw him going right across the street. Boo Boo is not amused. Yeah, it's gone. Going back to the backyards. Alright. Come on, you two. Come on. Hurry up. We ain't got all day. Come on. Come on, Boo Boo. Come on, Boo Boo. All right. We're back in the shop. All right. So that ends what am I trying to say? Ends an exciting Friday night here at Classic Arcade Repairs. Alright guys, thanks for hanging, and we'll see ya next time. Hey, none of that nonsense. Alright, we'll see you guys.